Now for today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a simple pond. There are many ways to do water. We need a little bit of depth for our pond. So we've used a piece of styrofoam and cut a hole for the pond. And as we've done before, we're going to use Sculpt-A-Mold just to blend the edges, make it kind of a gradual incline into the bottom of the pond. And you can make the slope as steep or as gradual as you like, but I kind of want to leave a little room in the middle to show depth. So we're not going to fill it in all the way. So to do that, we're going to use black paint and just paint the part that we want to look like it's deep. So we're just going to do essentially the middle. And you don't need to worry about making this look perfect because we're going to blend our earth colored paint into this. There, that should show depth. We're going to use a ground colored paint. This is called flat earth. Now you notice I'm applying this pretty thick. We want it to stay wet for a few minutes so that we can get the ground cover into it. So now that we've got a good thick coat of paint on this, we'll apply the ground cover. And you just want to lightly sprinkle that into your brown paint and let it fall where it will. This is some rock that I just picked up off of a trail near my house. And we'll give it a little pressure to help it stick a little better. And this will be our base coat. And it looks funny right now, but we'll brush off the excess and that should give us a pretty good base for our pond. Now for our water, we're using a product called Envirotex. And this is very easy to use, but it has to be done properly. Now, it comes in two parts, and it's very important that they be mixed equally. Now for this project, we're just going to mix them both all the way, so we don't have to measure. But if you were just going to use a small amount, you'd have to make sure you used equal amounts of both. And it's very important that they be mixed thoroughly. We're going to just put a small amount on our little pond here and let it spread around. We don't need a lot. And this will spread itself out and flatten itself. Now as it's settling, you'll notice the bubbles. You get rid of those just by breathing on it. Now it'll take about 24 hours for this to be thoroughly dry. We're just going to continue to scenic around it the same way we did before. We'll start with our paint, and you can paint onto the rock if you like to. It'll just be like grass is overgrowing it a little bit. And then back again with the turf. Blend it like we did before. And we'll be pretty much proceeding the same way from now on as we did on our original section.